Hello and welcome back to J3 Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox and review Mi 11i 5G, the HyperCharge phone. So let's get started. So here's the SIM ejecting pin. It comes with the user manual and the warranty card. The box is having the cover as well. The quality of the cover is average. So let's check out the phone. The phone has a very nice touch and feels premium in hand. It has Gorilla Glass 5. So we'll come back to the phone later on. Let's check out what else there in the box. So it has a charger, quite a heavy charger. It's 120 watt charger. So we'll check the charger later in the video. And here is the data cable. It's a C-type data cable. The length of the data cable is average, like in other phones. Coming back to the phone, here showing you the first boot of the phone. So we'll just fast forward the video while we do first boot and set up the phone. So finally we are up with the phone. So it's quite a heavy phone, having the weight of 204 grams. The phone comes with Android 11, powered by MIUI 12.5e. So let's check out other features of the phone. The phone comes with 108 megapixel main camera, and it has 120 watts of charging, which is really very fast. So I'll show you the charging speed of the phone. Here's putting the charger, and look at this. The company claims to charge the phone from 0 to 100 in 15 minutes. Phone has the AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has a 16 megapixel front camera and a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So let's check out the cover that was included in the box. And the cover fits in to the phone perfectly. And it also gives a nice grip to the phone. And it also has the 3.5mm jack. It has the stereo speaker on both the sides, and it gives a very nice output. And here showing you the camera quality of the phone. This is the main camera, which is 108 megapixel. So the camera quality is better when you turn on the 108 megapixel mode. Otherwise the camera quality is average. The other two cameras on the phone is ultra wide and the macro camera. 4K video can be recorded with the phone at 30 fps. So here's my friend Ashish, the proud owner of the phone, having the first experience on this phone. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.